Welcome, in this video we are going to learn Miranda information gathering tool in Kali Linux. Miranda is a Python-based universal plug-and-play client application designed to discover, query and interact with UPnP devices, particularly Internet Gateway devices like routers. It can be used to audit UPnP-enabled devices on a network for possible vulnerabilities. Some of its features include interactive shell with the tab completion and command history, passive and active discovery of UPnP devices, customizable msearch queries, full control over application settings such as IP addresses, ports and headers, simple enumeration of UPnP devices, services, actions and variables, correlation of input or output state variables with service actions, ability to save data to file for later analysis and collaboration, command logging. Miranda was built on and it is meant for Linux system and has been tested on Linux 2.6 kernel with Python 2.5. However, it is written in Python. Most functionality should be available for any Python supported platform. Miranda has been tested against IGTs from various vendors including Linksys, D-Link, Belkin, and Action Tag. All Python modules came installed by default on Linux Mint 5 test system. Let's open up terminal, type Miranda UPnP administration tool. Here you can see that basic usage, that is Miranda space options. Let's see basic options for Miranda tool. -s, struct file, load previous host data from struct file, -l, log user supplied commands to log file, -i, specify the name of interface to use, and so on. Let's start on interface eth0 in verbose mode, then start discovery mode. For that, type Miranda interface eth0, that is -i eth0 in verbose mode, so -v. For discovery mode, type msearch. Here you can see that tool entering in discovery mode for UPnP root device. You can click Ctrl+C to stop. It'll take few minutes. I'm forwarding this video. Here we get response as SSDP notification from 192.168.0.6, port number 2869. Let's copy the XML file link, paste it in URL. Here we can see that UDHI XML file. So that's it in this video on Miranda information gathering tool in Kali Linux.